Hi, everyone. This is Julie Reinhardt. I just came to my knowledge that some of you are receiving tons of emails through your Google Classroom because maybe a student's turning in a work or maybe they had a comment on a project and it keeps emailing you, and it's getting to be a little bit crazy within your email. So I'm going to show you how to turn that off in that setting. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Google Chrome and open that up. Once you get there, you just go to your waffle and go into your Google Classroom. Within your Google Classroom, we have three little lines right here. That will get you to the settings where you need to be. So go ahead and click that and come down to the little gear that says settings, click that. And right here where it says notification, so right now I have mine clicked on saying receive email notifications, and that is everything that you have that will notify you if they do something like that. So all you need to do is click on that, and now you will no longer receive email notifications if a student has a comment, question, concern. It will all be within your Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.